This app that I'm about to share with you is literally going to blow your mind, mainly because you can do a lot by just making money out of it. You can listen to music, you can read articles, you can literally watch videos and make some cash only on one app, and so many other ways on how to make money while you are using this app. So stay up until the end and choose what you really like to do when you are making money, whether you'll be listening to music or maybe doing whatever that the app is offering you. This app is one of the best app I've ever shared on my YouTube channel because you can do a lot out of it. If you guys can check my track record, there are apps that I've shared. They are mainly focusing on one thing. If it says maybe you are making money out of listening to music, it is mainly that. But this app is so versatile to the point whereby you can maybe make 5 things. You can do service, like you can do a lot by just making money out of one app, not multiple apps. So they combine a lot of multiple things that you can do to make money out of it. So stay up until the end of the video to show you exactly how to make 500 Rand per day if you are willing to work hard. Remember, if you don't work hard, you will never make money. But if you're working hard, you are going to make money out of this app. One thing that I can tell you is that use this app as a 9 to 5 job if only you are not working. But if you are working, make sure that after hours you set yourself maybe 3 to 4 hours just focusing on this app and making money out of it. So you can make money only if you are pushing yourself. So there are people who are trying these apps for only 30 minutes or an hour, and then they say these apps don't work. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to put in the work so that the app can maybe reward you for the time that you are spending on their app. So right now I'm just going to show you step by step how to literally make 500 Rand per day by using this app with the multiple tasks that you are going to be offered by the app to do. And those multiple offers, those are the things that you can choose whether you want to do it or you don't want to. So it's all by your choice whether you want to listen. You are not forced to listen to music. You just choose your own preference and what you are enjoying to do. That's what I always say to people. When you choose an app to make money out of, you need to choose something that you are already doing on a daily basis. If you are always listening to music, choose an app that is going to lead you to that point. If you are always maybe reading articles, choose the app that is going to lead you towards that. So if you are not used to read articles and then thereafter you choose the app that is going to make you money out of articles, you are going to get bored because that's not something that you are enjoying. That's not something that you always do. So choose what you already doing on a daily basis so that it doesn't feel like a job, so that you can spend a lot of time and also make some extra cash. So right now I'm just going to check on my screen right here. So never mind me when I'm checking right over here, because I'm going to watch whatever and I'm sharing it with you. And also I'm going to put some screenshot on the screen so that you can see what I'm looking at and share it how to do it step by step. I am 100% sure that right now you are asking yourself, what's the name of the app? Which app is this one? So this app is an app. So it's under the mode app. So as you guys have seen or tracking the record of the apps that I have been sharing with you, those apps are falling under the company of Mode. So the Mode company makes these apps to make you earn some extra cash. So the name of the app is an app. So each and every time when you come across the app or anything that leads you to register towards it, you need to make sure that you enter the proper registration. So as you guys can see on the screen right now, you just have to create an account and start earning your own cash. So it all depends on you whether you are going for sign up with a Google or other ways to sign up. So on other ways to sign up is whereby you are going to sign up by using your email address. So after doing that, this is the page that you are going to land on. So it says let's get any. So welcome, they are welcoming you. As you guys can see, they say joy pet right over there, whereby they just showing that you can also make money by just playing games. Yes, I know I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video, but I did say that there are multiple ways on how to make money using this app. So one of them is also playing games. So right now you're just going to press on get started. So once you press on get started, this is the page that you are going to land on. It says we've set your first goal for you, and then underneath it says $0.25 this week. So I don't understand really what's happened right there, but I don't think it's really important because I still made money, without knowing this thing. So you just have to press down below where it says start earning. So once you press there, they say tutorial completed. Which tutorial? I don't know. And then they say we've awarded you 250 points towards your goal. So that's the points that they are giving you when you start. So everyone, when they start or using my code, they are going to receive 250 points as the beginning of their ways on making money using this app. So you just have to press continue. After that, they say your first mission award and 175. So start my first mission right there down below. And also they say I would like to explore first. So one thing that I can tell you is that choose I would like to explore first, so that you can know what you are dealing with using this app, the various ways on how to make money using this app. So if you choose start my first mission, they're just going to offer you the mission without exploring the app, what other ways on how to make money using this app. So I will advise you to explore the app first before you go to missions. So right now, let's click on I would like to explore first. So after that, this is the page that you are going to learn on. As you guys can see, you can make money by just playing games. There are offers, you can do surveys, there are deals, there are videos, there are news. So it all depends on you. What way do you want to make money using this app? So like I said to you guys, you need to make sure that you choose something that you're already doing or you are enjoying doing, so that it doesn't feel like a burden, so that it doesn't feel like something that is so overwhelming when you are doing it. You need to enjoy it and also earn some extra cash. So that's the advice that I can give you. If you someone always plays the games, do it. Or maybe when you have children, I don't have a child, I don't know, but I've seen my cousin's children, they always play games. So you can install this app to them, so that whenever they keep playing games, they are earning money, because they spend a lot of time playing games. They can spend maybe 3 to 4 hours on a daily basis just playing games. So you can install this and let them play games while they are earning some extra cash. Obviously it will be your account, because if you are under 18, you can't be able to register using this app. So you need to use your own account. They are going to use your account by just playing games. In the meantime, you are old, you don't really enjoy games, but there are people who are old who are enjoying playing games. So if you are old, not enjoying playing games, you can refer that to children playing games while you are listening to music, while you are reading news, whatever the case may be, whatever the category that you are going to choose. Make sure that is something that you are enjoying. This app have three things, which is a high paying out, and also a quick payout, and then again a easy payout. So it all depends on you. Like I always emphasize, it all depends on you. It's either you choose the high payout, the quick payout, or the easy payout. As you guys can see, under the easy payout, we have things like installing wedges, Twitter, ad names, like those kind of things, but they are going to pay you as little as maybe you might think that is not worth it. So like I said, it all depends on you. So if you guys can check down below, we have a music, we have a borders, we have games, we have deals, we have a redeem. So we're just going to explore those things in a minute. Just make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can be able to come across videos whereby I'm sharing ways on how to make money, and also the development of how to become a better person, or maybe making money out of anything. It might not be apps, or maybe an online, anything that you can think of, to becoming a better person, to become wealthy, because I'm in a journey of becoming someone who can be able to take care of himself and other things. For now, I want us to focus on high payouts, the ones that can literally make you a lot of cash. So the first thing that I want us to speak about is music, how to make money listening to music by using this app. So right now we just have to press on music down below. After pressing that, it's going to say music earnings, and points passively by listening to your favorite song. So meaning that you don't have to listen songs that you don't really like, you are going to listen your favorite song. So meaning that they have multiples music and categories or genre that you can choose from, so that you can be able to enjoy the music while you are making some extra cash. So the first thing that they say get 60 minutes of earning time each day. Only 60 minutes each day, so that you can earn money. So meaning that if you can do more, maybe you can do 60 minutes plus, or maybe 1 hour, 5 hours, whatever, the earnings are going to be more. But they say at least per day spend 60 minutes so that you can earn. And then thereafter they say if earning times run out, you will stop earning from music. If your times stops, you are going to stop earning from music. And then thereafter they say complete other activities to replenish earning time. You need to make sure that you complete other activities that they are going to offer you, so that you can replenish your earning time. So right now we're just going to press on get started. So this is the page that you are going to land on, whereby they give you multiple genre that you can choose from. So as you guys can see that we have techno, we have R&B, we have metal, we have rock, we have Asian, we have punk, we have news, we have house. Unfortunately, we don't have amapiano, but under house there are amapiano artists there that you can listen to. Abu Gabs are the small. There are a little portion of amapiano, but not the deeper amapiano that we know. So strictly amapiano that we go for in South Africa, unfortunately there's no one. So I will advise the person or whoever is involved with this app, who are doing this app, at least involve amapiano, because amapiano is one of the best genre that is moving the country, or that is moving the world at this current moment. So it will be a pleasure to have it right over here. But then we can choose web, like you can choose multiple genre that you can listen to, and choose the music that you want to listen, so that you can make an extra cash. That's how simple it is to make money by just listening to music. So the next one that I want us to speak about, I'm not going to go through all the things, I'm going to go through what I've already done. So yes, I'm still going to test the other things, but the things that I've done and earn some points towards them, I'm going to share it. So the second one that I want to speak about under this app is playing games. You can literally make money by just playing games. So once you click on playing games, this is the page that you are going to land on. It says play to earn. So number one things that they tell you to do is to accept the permission. So what they mean by accepting the permission is whereby you are going to accept the terms and conditions, so that you can be able to earn points by just playing games per minute. And then thereafter they say select a game to play and download it. So like the previous app that I shared with you, I will leave the link right over here. It says that if you have this app, they're going to offer you games, but you need to upload those games. It's not whereby this app have already this game. So once you downloaded this app, you don't have to download those games. You just have to go to the game and play. No, you are going to go to the game. When you click on it, it's going to refer you to Play Store if you are using an Android, so that you can download that app and then link it to this app, so that you can earn some extra cash. I hope I'm clear. And then number 3, it says earn every minute you play, meaning that each and every minute while you are still playing the game, you are going to get points. So meaning that if your children, like I said, at least refer it to children. Children are always playing games on their phone. So all they need to do is to install those games and then play, while you know that they are earning some points. So meaning that each and every minute there are points that they are going to receive from this app. So that's how easy you can be able to make money by just playing games. If you can check down below, it says continue. All you need to do is to press continue. So after pressing continue, this is the page that you are going to land on. It says welcome to playtime, an easy reward for playing great games. And then it says explore our selection of games, choose your favorite and earn away. So meaning that they are going to offer you games that they linked with their app, so that you can be able to upload it and then install it on your phone, and then thereafter play the game. So you need to choose your favorite. Like they said, choose your favorite, meaning that you need to choose something that you enjoy. That's why I said refer it to children. Children are just going to play their favorite games, and they are going to make sure that like they always play games. So that's how easy it is, so that you can be able to earn some points. And then thereafter down below it says accept or reject. We all know it's obvious, you're just going to press the accept, and then after you're going to land on this page where it says collect your reward now. Start earning for every minute you play by activating time tracking in your preferences, meaning that they are going to track your time. How long have you spent time using this app while playing games? So they just wanna track record. So all you need to do is to press on activate now, so that they can be able, once you start playing games, they are going to track it. How many minutes or how many hours have you spent, and how many points do you have to get for spending a certain amount of minutes or hours on this app.